Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. For Earth sign to guys, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel, pahit mo lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ayan, ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. If you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading. Jing Tarot Reader, search mo lang siya sa Facebook. Again, this is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's start the reading for Earth sign. You do have your the end. And you do have your the Page of Mirrors. And Seven of Rings is here. For the right reasons. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Flutes. Inom lang ako guys. Okay. Anyway, Earth sign. Nakikita natin yung ending na ginagawa mo ngayon or nangyayari ngayon. Maybe it has something to do with love and has something to do with people na pwedeng you shared a lot of moments or emotions dito sa taong to. Pwedeng marami kang na-share sa kanya. Pwedeng yung emotions mo or maybe your life together or maybe your life ang na-share mo or nabanggit mo dito sa person na to. Stories, no, with this person. Maybe yung iba sa inyo, it has something to do with love related. Yung iba, this could be a friend na you're letting go because you do have your the end and you feel like this is the right, you're doing the right thing to do, no? This is for the right reason. Iba sa inyo, maybe if this is a relationship, maybe you feel like ito yung tamang gawain to end this, no? Because maybe masyadong stagnant or walang kagalaw-galaw. Maybe you are focusing on, you're just expressing something. And maybe this is your emotions na ina-express mo na kaya mo gustong i-end ito because you want to let go. You want, you want to open up. Yeah, you do have your opening up. Gusto mong i-open up ang sarili mo maybe sa mga bagay na tingin mong mas makakabuti para sa'yo. And the Eight of Mirrors is here showing up as like Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. So maybe ayaw mo na nakakulong or ayaw mo na may mga bagay kang tinatago sa sarili mo, sa isip mo, or maybe you don't want this energy na parang naka-stuck ka, so you don't want that. So that's why you're ending things. And I don't know why number 13 is showing up here. So number 13, maybe yung birthday mo is 13 or yung birthday nitong person na to is 13. Or if not, kung hindi man, maybe it has something to do with like years, 13 years, ganon. Or 13 months, something to do with 13. So anyway, the end is here. Nakikita natin yung naging importante itong person na ito sa'yo. Pero, para sa ikabubuti ng lahat. Like, if you would look at this picture, especially with the end, number 13 and 7 of Rings, it looks like a dad, no? Parang tatay na aalis, no? Pupunta sa malayo o sa ibang bansa. It's like you're doing this para wala nang, kumbaga parang pwedeng wala nang gulo or maybe ito yung mas makakabuti. Di ba? Kumbaga parang pag mangigibang bansa, di ba, parang para sa ikabubuti ng lahat, para may magtatrabaho sa ibang bansa para makapag-aral ka ng mabuti, ganyan. But in your case, maybe it has something to do with an ending para sa ikabubuti ng lahat. No? Maybe to focus on your priorities. To focus on other things than this. Diba? So anyway, for the person that you're dealing with, sino tong person na tong kakonect mo? You do have the leap of faith. Who is this person? Three of Rings. And the Two of Rings is here. Eight of Roses. Three of Rings, Two of Rings. Bottom of the deck is the cliffhanger to be continued. I feel like there's a connection here na pwedeng magkaroon ng continuation sa'yo. Like maybe this is a person na nagkaroon ng distance and or changes sa connection ninyo. I'm seeing Gemini. For some of you, this is a twin flame connection kasi Gemini is a twin. So maybe you're dealing with a Gemini or a twin flame kind of energy. So anyway, nakakita tayo with the Three of Rings. It's like a competition. There's a competition. And with the Eight of Roses, this person is magte-take ng risk or there's a chance between you and this person. And I feel like with the Two of Rings, there's a possibility. There's this final two. So, in the near future, it will be more balance sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito. And there's a continuation ng connection, maybe with a friend or a person na willing mag-take ng risk sa'yo. What is the emotions between the two of you? Nakakita tayo ng single mom or single dad energy. So maybe, or, maybe there's a child na involved here. Three of Roses is here. Maybe this is your reading, especially if you are thinking about traveling or nag-iisip ka mag-travel or may travel na. Maybe you're thinking na, yung iba iniisip pa lang na mag-travel or maybe meron na talagang date wherein plano mo talaga mag-travel. This could be your reading. Yung iba, if hindi ka nakaka-relate dito, maybe the energy is the other way around. Pwedeng ikaw tong sa side na to sa kaliwa. But anyway, Four of Lots is here. So, nakikita natin yung realizations mo about what you truly feel for this person. So, nararamdaman mo that you are the Knight of Roses. Nararamdaman mo yung pagmamahal or emotions mo towards this person. The Lovers is here. This is like showing here. The Lovers. So, mahal mo tong person na ito. Some of you pwedeng magkarelasyon na kayo. Kung wala pa, bakit wala pa? Some of you, there's a spiritual connection here. And with the next destination, with the Three of Roses, so pwedeng some of you thinking of traveling to see this person or magkaroon ng expansion with this person. So, iniisip mo itong person na to. You do love this person. Mahal mo siya. Yung iba sa inyo, you want to open up yourself or yung possibility sa inyong dalawa. Okay? You're thinking about this person, maybe thinking of this person na pwedeng you want to win her or his heart or ayaw mo nang iwasan yung connection ninyo dalawa. That kind of energy. The Lovers is here like what I've told you, diba? Yan ay pinakita ko kanina. Gemini energy. That is, some of you, this is a twin flame connection. So, itong person that is connected with you spiritually and emotionally. And the Eight of Lots is here. This is self-elimination. This person is also getting ready. And pwedeng hindi niya yun nakikita or hindi niya, might be, hindi mo nababanggit sa kanya yung plano mo na yun. So maybe, nagre-ready lang siya na hindi niya alam kung bakit din siya nagre-ready or hindi niya alam na nagre-ready siya about something. But some of you, you do have the Ten of Roses, shoulder to cry on. So maybe itong person na to is currently facing a lot of problems and pwedeng nasasaktan siya or nalulungkot siya maybe regarding sa pag-alis mo, or maybe hindi niya alam, maybe there's an ending between the two of you, and you discover the Seven of Swords for the wrong reason. So might be yung emotions na ito is feeling bad sa sarili niya, and nasasaktan siya kasi parang feeling niya mali yung connection na ito, or mali na mahalin ka, or mali na mag-expect sa'yo. So that is what I can see here. But nakikita natin with the Eight of Roses, that this person is willing to take the risk. Mali, pero mahal kita. Wala akong magagawa. Parang ganun. Parang gusto ko mag-take ng risk. Alam ko mali, alam ko bawal, alam ko hindi pwede. Or some of you, the case is that kasi may ibang connections na involved, or yeah, I feel like this person, alam mo yung number 6, this is 7 of mirrors, pero nakikita ko number dito is number 6, especially with the pictures here. Ayan, 4 na 6 and 6 na 6. So it is showing as a balance energy. And so might be this person, medyo nagbabalance kayo ng energy ngayon. And 2 of mirrors is here. So mirrors is like you're mirroring each other. Ayan. And yeah, a lot of competition. So nakikita natin yung emotion ninyo sa isa't isa, mini-mirror ninyo ang isa't isa. Sa high chance this is a twin flame connection. What will happen in the future para sa inyong dalawa? In the near future para sa inyong dalawa? Alam mo, marami to, pero naramdaman ko yung energy na kailangan siya. You do have your number 3, the Bachelorette, and the Three of Flutes, here to make friends. King of Roses, the executive producer, Two of Mirrors. Ayan. In the near future para sa inyong dalawa, Nine of Roses is here. Page of Rings. And one more card. You do have your Ten of Flutes. And the Queen of Mirrors is here, and we have here the Bitch. And 7 of Roses, Drama, and 10 of Flutes, the Proposal. Bottom of the deck, you do have here 09 ITM. Okay? So, Nine of Roses is meeting parents. So, nakakita tayo ng meet up in the near future, meeting together. I mean, ito ay face-to-face kind of meeting eh. Especially with the Two of Mirrors. So, parang pagkikita. In person, yeah, there's possibility na may pagkikita in person with this person. And the Ten of Flutes, nakita tayo ng proposal, or maybe an offer. Pwedeng may offer in the future. There's a lot of drama here with the Seven of Roses, pero nakikita natin dito as like a maskara na tinatanggal, or natanggal. So I feel like there's a lot of honesty or pagsasabi ng totoo upon this meetup, pagkikita, na pwedeng sasabihin kung ano ang mga totoo dito. And with the Bachelorette, I can see that this is like reunion sa inyong dalawa. Hindi ko masabing reconciliation eh. You know why? Pag sinabi ko kasing reconciliation, reconcile yun. There's a possibility na reconciliation, pero pwedeng mawala din. Alam mo yun, yung parang nagkita ulit, may pagkikita ulit, pero pwedeng magkaroon ng ending ulit. This time, I see this as reunion. Pag sinabi kong reunion, it's like union and wala na siyang ending. Parang ganun. Union in a way na pwedeng, if you're twin flame, guys, if you're twin flame, high chance na this is a time na magkakaroon ng transformation sa connection ninyo, and magkakaroon na ng union sa inyong dalawa. There's a chance, high chance, especially nagkaroon ng total solar eclipse this year. I mean, laging nagkakaroon ng eclipse ha. Pero this one is different because this is total solar eclipse. Diba? And that's rare. Queen of Mirrors is here. You know, we're the bitch. Mamaya ika-clarify ko yon. And then I can see may something kayong mabubuo nitong person na to. I want to clarify what's with the bitch. What's with the Queen of Mirrors. Sorry for the word, guys. Yun talaga yung nasa card. Wala tayong magagawa. Kailangan natin maging transparent. You know, the Four of Rings, possessive. And, I want to get more cards for this. What's with the Four of Rings? Keep it chill. And you do have your Five of Floats. And I fuck up. To me, it shows as a reunion. Yun na nga eh. Reunion with this person. But this time, it will be more hot. You know, nakakita tayo ng sexual reunion. Ayun. Diretsuin ko na. With the keep it chill, I can see some of you, there's this energy of you two having a vacation together or going to a place na malamig. The two of you will be, you know, the possessive is here, so this is like mainit na pagtatagpo sa inyo ng person na ito. And the which is showing us yung ugaling ipapakita ng person na ito, which is high chance na ipapakita niya yung galing niya pagdating sa bed. I don't know why these cards are showing like parang mainit yung energy, and yeah, I can see mainit na reconnection or reunion sa inyong dalawa. And you do have the word F. You know. And you do have your cheer. Some of you, pwedeng may involvement pa ng alak or what. But this will be, you know, reunion. I don't know, some of you, if this is a twin flame, maybe friendship. Here to make friends, kuno-kuno. Pero yun pala, here to make lovers or make love, you know. Here to make love. Kunwari lang na friends ang pakay, but I'm here to be your man or your woman kind of energy. And you do have your King of Roses. I want to clarify this. What's with the King of Roses? You do have here the Producer. And you do have here the Knight of Flutes. Yeah, this person is getting ready. And in the future, nakikita natin na magiging ready na siya. Okay? I feel like in the near future, siya yung Alam mo guys, lagi ko nakuha to sa connection ng twin flame eh. Some of you, siya to. Some of you, ikaw to. Yung nagkakabalik-baliktad yung energy because I see you as one. I see your connection or this cards right here, lumalabas siya as coming from a one spirit or one soul. Which is sa twin flame connection, gano'n naman talaga. Iisang soul lang kayo. And you're twins. And yan. Ready ka na, ready na rin siya. Yan. Whew! Ang init ng energy niyan. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully nakuha ko yung energy mo, nakarelate ka, nakareconnect ka sa ating reading. Nakuha mo yung messages for you. I love you all, guys. Sana mag-comment ka dyan sa baba. Thank you for watching. And bye-bye.